Sige, let's start our first program. Let's start with or di ko sure kung kids to eh. Anisha Sophia Mateo. Tama po yung pronounce ko. Anisha. Ay, partner mo pala yan eh. Press take damit.
May sayaw kami.
Sasayaw kayo mami. Partner, pasigyan mo muna. Pinatay mo muna yung plan. So, get ready po yung mga cellphone. Kasi nalobat daw yung cam nila, sir. Ayan. Tapos lang dito ka lalapit. Then, if you have a message or a better wish for Asian, go for it.
Hello, happy birthday. Pretty girl. Stay kikay. Be as maldita as you want.
Thank you very much. Blow muna kasi mahirap mo. Thank you very much. May picture. Bako na ka-video. Picture kayo muna. Ayan, ayan, selfie. Ayan, solo picture. Ayan. And, stay ka muna doon sa side. Thank you very much. Our next. Palakpakan naman natin. Ano to? Harley? Harley! Ang ganda ng pangalan mo. Katabas. Walang kopyahan to ah.
From 7 wishes to a very special little girl who is celebrating your birthday today. Happy birthday, Danchan! Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter today. I wish you to continue what you love that brings you happiness. I hope you can achieve the dreams and things that you want. I wish you feel lucky and grateful for having a supportive, blessed family that brings you happiness to your life. I, your cousin, will support you for what you want to do. You are loved today, tomorrow, and always. Focus on your studies and always be in your best behavior. Stay passionate in the things you love and wish to do in the future. Happy birthday, Dancer!
Tumago ka. Picture mo na, picture. Grabe yung message na yun. Wala akong naintindihan. Tumugo eh. Smile! Alright, okay, our next we have Darren Payne Cabanges. Next. Oh, sorry pala. Our next, ano to? Shania? Shania Las Marinas. Tama ba ako? Dadalong ano nila yung surname. Las Marinas. Parang pangalan ng resort yun eh. Si Daddy ba? Si Daddy ang sasama. Daddy, ikaw na daw po, Daddy. Kasi si Mami naka-vlog, oh. Sige po. Come on, sir. Lalayo kami.
Birthday tension. Wish good health and happy birthday.
Picture.
Pag tinawag po namin na yung niyo, huwag po tayo mahihil lumapit sa gitna. Makita nyo naman po, ang dami natin, di ba? And, take a picture.
Picture.
Apa? Oh, baby, smile. Smile mo. Ready? And our next for 7. Wishes Scandal, Darren Payne Cabanges. Siya na po yun. Let's go, baby. I-istorbo nyo yung nagtatrabaho.
I wish you fulfill your dreams and get your dream job. Happy birthday, Benson.
Alright, pag-blow mo sa kanya yan. And then picture kayo, baby. Sige, lapit ka. Smile. Uy, siya na nag-adjust. Ang bait naman ni baby, Darren. Thank you very much. And of course, our next we have Lola Carolina Cabanges. Ay, si Mami. Ano po kayo, Mami? Parang hindi po naman Lola, no? Mukhang Donya ang datingan natin dito, oh. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Deshel! Wish ko lang sa'yo na sana matupad lahat ang mga pangarap ng mga mami at daddy mo para sa'yo. Happy birthday!
Pablo mo yung ano ko.
Ayan, picture po with your Donya. With Donya. Ba't dumuha tayo sa cabinet side? Thank you very much. And of course, our next we have, ito, I think we have 2 person. Tama ba? So, Mami Lola Rene and Tita Patricia Nicole. So, 2 person for our next wishes.
Ito lang si Mami.
2 person but 1 candle lang. Ay, kayo na lang po, ma'am. Umiiyak na daw si Lola Rene. Umiiyak na.
Ako na lang po na. Iiyak ko si Mami. Happy birthday. Sana makinig ka kay Mami, Daddy mo. Mag-aral ka mabuti. Basta hindi 0. Ha? Ayun na.
Nakamatay ka. One more time. Paisindihan. Yeah. Blow and take a picture. And of course, to complete our Celebrate Wishes Scandal, we have Richelle. Tama ba ko? Palakpakan naman natin si Mami Richelle Cabanges. Ayan. Si Mami na.
Happy birthday, Angel. Babait ka. Ayun.
Iyak niya.
Iiyak ako kasi hindi ko akalain na mag-celebrate tayo, di ba? Alam mo yun. Kaya happy birthday. Dalap kita.
Picture po kayo, ma'am. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin si Mami, guys. Okay lang naman po umiyak. Huwag lang kayo maglulupas ay madumi yung sahig. Thank you very much. Once again, clap your hands para sa ating 7 wishes and candle. Let's take a group picture. Asa po yung 7. So, sama natin si baby. Group picture. Ayan. Already. Look at our photographer. Si Gabi na yung photographer natin. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Yung kandila po